Hey there, thanks for stopping by 818 How To. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fold shut a crisp packet to maintain the freshness of the contents without using any tools. Check it out.
Here I'm using a party-size crisp bag. As you've seen, it had a clip. A clip is not needed, and you can still preserve the freshness of the crisps. Lay the bag flat, then fold the right side like so, then the left side like a triangle. Press firmly. Now hold the two folds with your thumb. Start making 4 to 5 folds towards you like so. Turn the bag around, and with your thumb and index finger, turn the fold inside out. Do the same with the other side. This will make a nice handle you can use to carry the bag around or pick up with. Simple, isn't it?
And there you have it. Thanks for stopping by 818 How To. If you found this video useful, be sure to like this video and tons of DIY stuff coming up on this channel. There are tons of videos still in queue that need to be uploaded. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until next time, this is Savio signing out and hope to speak to you soon in my next video. Bye for now.